Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today I'm making a simple yet delicious curry with eggplants and potato. Such a classic combination, right? They complement each other without taking away the credit from one another. Today I'm making this curry in an instant pot, but you can also make it in a pressure cooker or a stuffed top. So let's get started. I'm using green eggplants, but you can make the same curry with any type of eggplant. Cut the veggies in large size, about 1 inch, so that the eggplants and potatoes don't get too mushy while pressure cooking. It is also important to note that when cooked in a pressure cooker, eggplant does not hold its shape completely. Press the saute button on the instant pot. Once it displays hot, add oil to the pot and then add mustard seeds. Let the seeds sizzle and splutter for a few seconds. Then add finely chopped onion and green chillies. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Now add in the potato cubes. Stir for a few seconds and then add curry leaves, grated ginger. You can also use ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and a little salt. Adjust red chilli powder to suit your taste. Optionally, for another variation, at this stage you can also add 1 chopped tomato, but I'm not adding it today. Add a splash of water if required and scrape off anything stuck to the bottom of the pot. Saute for a minute and then add eggplants. Give it all a nice mix. Check for salt and adjust if needed. Add water and mix. Adjust water to your requirement. This is not completely a dry curry, but it has a semi-liquid consistency. Press cancel and close the lid with a vent in sealing position. Change the instant pot setting to manual or pressure cook mode at high pressure for 3 minutes. After the instant pot beeps, quick release the pressure manually. Now open the pot. Mix in the garam masala and garnish with coriander. Using a spoon, gently stir the potato and eggplant with all the spices until combined. Cooked in selective spices, it brings a distinct aroma and flavor, complementing both eggplant and potato. Serve aloo baingan with roti, naan, paratha or rice. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.